Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is, what is the best point estimate of the population mean? Second, what is the effect of sample size on the width of the confidence interval given the population standard deviation and confidence level? Third, what means 95% confidence interval? For how do you decide whether to use Z or value to estimate the confidence interval? Fifth, how do you decide whether to use Z or T test for your hypothesis testing? And the answer of the question is, first, the best estimate for the population mean is the mean value, the simple mean which is calculated from the data collected from a sample of the population. Second, the effect sample of size on the width of the confidence interval given the population standard deviation and confidence level is that as the sample size increases, the width of the confidence interval decreases as the large size provides more informative about the population, leading to a more precise estimate of the population mean and consequently a narrow confidence interval. Third, 95% confidence interval mean that we are to repeatedly sample from the population and construct confidence interval. In the same way, approximately 95% of those intervals would contain the three population parameters: population mean. You decide whether to use Z or T value to estimate the confidence interval based on the same sample size and whether the population standard deviation is known. If the population standard deviation is known and the sample size is larger, typically n greater or equal to 30, you can use the Z value. If the population standard deviation is unknown and the sample size is small, typically n less than 30, you should use the T value. Fifth, you decide whether to use a Z or T test for hypothesis testing based on the same criteria for estimating confidence interval, the sample size, and whether the population standard deviation is known. If the population standard deviation is known and the sample size is large, you can use the Z test. If the population standard deviation is unknown and the sample size is small, you should use the T test. Additionally, the test is more robust to violations of assumptions such as normality and homogeneity of variance compared to the Z test. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.